Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we're about to embark on a mind-bending journey into the fascinating world of Schrödinger's cat. Brace yourself for a paradox that challenges the very fabric of reality and questions the nature of our universe. Imagine a cat, sealed within a box, in a state that's both alive and dead. This seemingly absurd scenario isn't a mere feline fantasy, it's a thought experiment that peels back the layers of quantum physics. Austrian physicist Erwin Schrödinger proposed this paradox to highlight the bizarre nature of quantum superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states at once until observed. In the world of the very small, particles like electrons can be in two contradictory states until measured. Schrödinger's cat takes this concept to the extreme, forcing us to grapple with the peculiar idea that something can be both true and false simultaneously. Schrödinger's cat isn't just about cats, it's about the fundamental uncertainty that pervades the quantum realm. It's a spotlight on the limits of our classical intuition and the intricate dance between particles and perception. This paradox has sparked debates, philosophies, and even philosophical dilemmas. Does reality exist only when we observe it, or does it persist in a cloud of possibilities until then? As we conclude our exploration of Schrödinger's cat, we're left with a tantalizing question: is our perception of reality merely a glimpse of a much larger and stranger tapestry? Like and subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending science episodes. Until next time, remember that in the realm of Schrödinger's cat, uncertainty and intrigue entwine, inviting us to peer into the uncharted depths of reality, one minute at a time.